This is a Conoco Low-Pro 327 SS. The benefits of this plant are the portable foundations travel on the plant. You don't need concrete foundations. If you've got 2,500 PSF soil, you can just set it on the ground. The Conoco Low-Pro 327 SS has a live bottom ag batcher. So the batcher belt is part of the scale, run by a VFD, which controls your discharge rate of material on your aggregate. We got a 327 barrel in-truss cement bin, 50-ton cement bin, run a 36-inch belt, mixer charging belt, a 9 and a 12-inch screw to feed the cement batcher at the top. At Conoco, we build all our own electrical panels. They're a UL listed panel. We do that all in-house. Low-Pro cement batcher has a screw in the bottom of it, either a 14-inch or an 18-inch. Allows for pre-blending of materials before they go into the truck. Gives you a constant feed rate into the truck. The Low-Pro 327 SS has the ability to have a weighed water on the plant. Travels with the plant. So along with that, we've got a dust collector back here, mixer dust collector. So this plant is compact. It all travels on the plant, one load, down the road, and you can set this up in about a half a day.